Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. I am storytelling.
Studying second standard.
Studying second standard. Was the month of May, summer holiday. A sunny day, Kanda was playing. He was hungry. If he went home, his parents would not follow him to return or to he looked every day nothing to eat. A parent came and gave him a fruit with one condition. Eat the fruit, plant the seed. He said okay, he got the fruit. He tasted it, all very sweet. He dug the soil, he planted the seed, he sprinkled the sun water. Because one day he came to school, he searched the place where he had planted. He threw some water.
Thank you.